Blessed on a Sunday morning, your viewers and subscribers. Dancehall skilla here again, you see. Yeah, just two videos I'm going to present to you in this video, viewers and subscribers. You see what I say? Yeah, first up, I'm going to present a video to you, and I want you to listen to some words that a person said in this video. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some of the words that the person said. You see? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe, my people.
You know, yes, I might look a piece of place where I used to raise my chicken. So me I go, I buy my duck them and I grow them. I whole heap of egg. Look at it now. Me say me go fence up my place for grow my duck them, because them have whole heap of egg. The brother here have a bigger farm, you know. So it all fence off. And the man still want badmind me for my little piece of farm, you know. They might put up all posts, you know. Watch out. And then I come link me and my yard and tell me, say, him want fencing everything. And me and Mr. Brother, I know I'm thing fencer because my first thing, I know I'm a friend and I know I'm mingle with you. Because I know I'm in a system. He might tell me, say, I fence it up. So Mr. Brother, so you try to tell me, say, badness you approve. And he start argument between me and him. Tell me now, people, tell me this fear. Look, you know, just a look a piece me have, you know. You see me? And the man have a big piece, you know. When I trouble
so
me,
now,
you know.
So now we, man.
You see me? And the man still make my piece troubling. Through me I raise my duck them, and I say I want a bigger space in my ducks and I bring them up at the farm. The man start fence up my farm. So I try to tell me, say I don't raise nothing. I don't have nothing. And that them tell me, say, so Badmind coming. If you just show you, you know. You see me? So Badmind coming.
Alright, my people, you get any form of Badmind vibes based on some of the words that the person said in that video? Because, and I really know, even though the person said some words that includes my and the place, me have to wonder who for place that based on some of the words that the person said. Because if that place legally, or should I say, if the person have legal rights to the place, then don't go get in a confrontation with nobody and then the confrontation end up in no bad ways. You see what I say? Contact the police if you have legal rights to the place. But overall, based on some of the words that the person said in the video, me have to wonder who own that place or who have legal rights to that place then. Even though the person says certain words in the video, me still I wonder. You see? Yeah, man. It just sounds weird though, you know. Some of the things that the person says, it sounds weird, like some bad vibes are going. If you know so that somebody I do something and then somebody all of a sudden I go try tell us, say, boy, them I go do this and that I go stop you from what's over here. That sound weird, you see me I say? And I'm only going by some of the words that the person said. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell also. So me I say, now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to leave a video with you. Now this video is going to show a person holding something that looks like a gun. Yeah, I'm going to say looks like a gun because I'm not able to confirm if that's a real gun, you see me? But one thing for sure, the video is being talked about on social media. I'm going to like you look and listen to some words that the person said in the video and tell me what you think about the video as well, viewers and subscribers, you see me? And you can also tell me if you believe whatsoever the person was holding in the video, if it is a real gun or not, you understand? Now this video is being talked about on social media not only because the person who you can see in the video holding something that looks like a gun, but because of some words that the person said in the video. Viewers and subscribers, before I leave this video with you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, so here's the video. Look, listen, observe, tell me what you think, and until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. Big up.
Tell this now, charge it. I have my money here. All my friend and family. You hear me I tell you? Yo, a piece of blood clot that the vehicle come up and go here. Steam fish here. The ram put me down on that blood clot here. I'm coming here and the ram put me in a boys. I suck when I answer the phone, me I call in a boy. I straight foot me I pull up in my father. The ram put me in a my wife dead here. Me alone talk to myself.